Today we'll be taking you through the unboxing of a Fanvil X6. Inside the box you'll find a quick installation guide, a phone, a handpiece, a LAN cable, a curly cord, and the phone stand. The Fanvil X6 is an enterprise phone with a full colour screen, full colour DSS with colour bare letters down the side. Let's turn the phone over and have a look. On our way around we will find a USB port. Now this USB port is for Bluetooth dongles to run Bluetooth headset or Wi-Fi dongles so that you can run the phone over wireless instead of via Ethernet cable. On the back of the phone you'll find a power plug so that you can use a power supply to run the phone instead of LAN cable. This does not come included in the box though. Then you'll find your standard Ethernet ports and a headset port. This is a headset port for a corded RJ9 headset or for EHS support. Let's put the phone together. I'm going to take the short end of the curly cord and plug it into the base of the handpiece, like so. Then we're going to take the long end of the curly cord and plug it into the back of the phone as indicated. Brilliant. Okay, that's all in. Right, now we've got our phone stand. There's two options. There's a higher option and a lower option. We're just going to pop it into option 1. And then away we go. There is the Fanvil X6.